my information in there. And then it's just a created a file stream object, created an object output stream, wrote it, closed it. And here's how you open it. Okay. And I think I saved the date in there too, so just to help you out. And then there's all the exceptions in case you can't find the data, if you can't find the class, if there's a problem with the input-output, it just has these. You know, you can put as many catch statements against a try block as you need or desire. The try block is where the input-output happens. You should have at least one catch clause after a try block to deal with any exceptions. However, in this case, I have 3 catch blocks following the try block. One to deal with an optional data exception, one to deal with a class not found exception, and one to deal with the general input-output exception. And you can put as many as you want. Doesn't matter. Okay? If it tries to go to the most specific exception, and if it doesn't find it, it usually ends up in the most general, which is the iron exception. Just think about it that way. So it kind of gives you, again, another clue as to what's going on, what went wrong. And always, the general way of doing this, folks, is, in this case, IO exception, sometimes it's called X, sometimes it's called E, I don't care. System.out, print the line, and then X.print stack trace. That's the one method from the exception superclass. Prints out all the traces of where that problem happened and backs it up. So you see those big, you've all made mistakes, right? You see those big exceptions that come out of Java? That's where it comes from. So you can create your own stack trace. It's as simple as that. You should try it. Now that's the save of the profile one. This is where I put all my information and correct the objects. And here is where I, excuse me, serialize it. Remember? This is a serializable object. Oh, by the way, this is not text I'm saving. This is an object I'm saving. Right? I'm saving an object. That's the whole nature of this thing. I'm saving an object. And I'm implementing the serialization UID. Okay, and I forget exactly how I got that, but you can do it. Validation. This will work without the serial version UID. I'm 99% certain. And this is how we serialize and deserialize it under this class. I hesitate to post this because I want you to work on it. I want you to try it. Okay? If I post it, you're all going to go to it and look at it. Here's the user. I don't want you to do that. I want you to, but I wanted to give you a clue, a hint on how to work at it. Okay? The key is you're creating an object, you want to serialize it, you want to be able to restore it. The object is just a profile. It's just your name, your address, phone number. That's it. If you don't want to put your own particular interest and name in there, you can put it Mickey Mouse in front. Okay. Let's see. I think that's it.